Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a door handle on an Infiniti FX35. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a T30 Torx bit, a small flathead screwdriver, and ideally, a magnetic pickup tool. Having a new replacement handle on hand is also crucial. This process is straightforward and can save you significant time and money compared to a professional repair. Now let's remove the old handle. Open your door and find the small rubber grommet inside the door jamb. Remove this plug to reveal a T30 Torx screw. Loosen this screw completely, being careful not to drop it inside the door. Next, gently pry off the escutcheon, which is the chrome piece adjacent to the handle. Once that's off, slide the entire handle assembly towards the front of the vehicle and carefully pull it out. With the old handle removed, installing the new one is a reverse process. First, slide the new handle into its opening, pushing it towards the rear of the car until it clicks into place. Make sure it feels securely seated and engages with the internal latching mechanism. Then, reattach the escutcheon, ensuring it snaps firmly into position. Finally, tighten the T30 Torx screw behind the rubber grommet to secure everything. Before you finish, it's crucial to test your new handle thoroughly. Open and close the door several times, ensuring the handle operates smoothly and the door latches securely. Check both the opening and closing actions from the outside. Once satisfied, replace the small rubber grommet to protect the Torx screw. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your Infiniti FX35 door handle, restoring full functionality to your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.